Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Artist King here. The other day someone asked me, how do I come up with these images? How do I put them together? And I really had to think about that. The only thing I could think of is that, well, this is how I do it. I find images. I have a lot of images, magazine clippings in different sections. I section them all in a little storage container, and then I pull out images and I pull out different things that I think would make sense when I put them together, because that's how I really do it. I kind of have something in my mind, and with the first image, which I usually find like a person or a background or something, and then I find images that I feel would go with that place or that person or anything like that, and then I just kind of find ways to put them together. And then a lot of times I try to find words to stick on there that would kind of make sense with the picture. When you look at the picture and the words, it would make sense. So that's kind of how I do it. So hope that encourages somebody to try and do one for themselves. I will be doing like some different types, like some spin art and stuff coming up soon. But what happens in the winter time, I do not really use my studio because it's super cold, and no matter how much I try to heat it, it's not always warm enough for me to really work in there. But I will see what I can do, okay? So anyway, enjoy the rest of the video. Leave a comment. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you've not already subscribed. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, okay? Tuesdays and Saturdays are my days to post. So if you're looking for something new from me, that's the time that you will normally see it. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Stay till the end, and I will see you next time on my next video. Okay? All right, bye now.